Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon from Denmark. And today is Saturday, and my name is Fatima, and I am doing this Go Live together with my accountability partner from UK. As I said, my name is Fatima. I am originally from the Philippines, but I was born in Vietnam. But right now, I am living here in Denmark for almost 31 years. And my regular job is I work as a housekeeper. And aside from that, I am running this online business on the side. And every week, I am doing a go live to share this business opportunity to those who are willing to know and want to start their own online business. So together with me this afternoon is my accountability partner from UK. I just put her on the stage. Hello, Lisa.
Hi, good afternoon, Fatima.
Good afternoon. Lisa, I just introduced a short about myself. So I think it's you take the place, take the stage, and introduce yourself. Go on.
Yes, hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm the face of the business page Lisa and Harry with my husband. So my name is Lisa. I'm a nurse by profession, also a digital business owner, same like Fatima. Now we are living here in United Kingdom for more than 23 years.
Thank you for that introduction, Lisa. Galingan mo ha, bueno mano ka sa goal line.
Sure. It's been a while. It's been a while that we haven't done this. So I
Yeah,
think
it's been a while. Yeah, that's right. We
yes,
used to go live before, right? We used to go live before, but it's been a while since we. I think it's because of your schedule.
yes,
I do the go live every week with another business owner around the world, but with you, I think it's really difficult to find the schedule with you. But anyway, you mentioned that you are a nurse, and it's really a big jump from being a nurse and to venture in the um, in the digital space. So I would like to ask, why did you do that?
I know you're right when you say why. Um, to be honest, I'm now on my 50s. Yeah, so I'm already in my golden age. So, and I've been working in the hospital for more than, let's say, 30 years in total. Apart from living here in United Kingdom, I work as well in Philippines and also in the Middle East. So working for more than, let's say, 30 years, more than 30 years,
Mm,
I'm already physically tired. It's tiring. And it's not the same as when we were still young. Yeah, when we were still young,
yeah,
I
yeah, that's
work
right.
really long hours. Even I have only one day off, 2 long days again. But nowadays, I'm really physically and mentally tired. And I don't like to be working until our retirement age. And the retirement age here in UK is 67 years old. So I don't like
Mm,
that. We have still many dreams. So that's the reason why I've been looking for a side hustle that really, because the one important why I entered this digital business is really for us, me and Harry, to retire early. And we plan to do it in the Philippines. So, when you retire in the Philippines, you have to be financially stable.
yeah,
So
that's right.
that's the reason why I really ventured in this, because I've been looking for another. In fact, Fatima, I think I've mentioned to you, we have already another one side hustle, right?
Yeah,
But I know nowadays, with the high standard of living nowadays, having one or two will be much more, means when time and financial freedom I will get, because especially as mentioned to you, we plan to retire in the Philippines. So yes,
yeah,
then the online business with nowadays, that's the best one that I could see. Looking, because prior to that I was looking for that, I said no, because I don't want to, you get me, I'm already working long days. So this is one convenient one, because I can do this whenever I have a free time. So it will not
yeah,
be
yeah.
most of of my
That is
family.
the beauty of our business, right?
Yeah, that's
Mm.
true. That's the truth. So I know it can be, it's one, but yeah, that's the reason why and nowadays that's the trend, right? So even we are already in our 50s, we have to go to the trend. It's everything now is in digital. So might as
Mm.
well grab the opportunity to do it in here.
Yeah, but I still amazed that transitioning from being a nurse to a digital entrepreneur. Do you have any business background prior to this?
Traditional or online? Traditional, I do. We do have. We do with traditional
Mm.
business. We do, and we still have that one at the moment. But the online is not. This is all new to me. But really, I want a change. I really want a change in our life. And if I will just rely on our salary to um, the salary of the nurse is not too bad, but
Mm. Yeah,
the see, we have an increase of salary bit, but how much is that compared to the standard of living that is really
yeah, that's right.
shooting up? So
Yeah.
that's the reason why I said even this is a new to me. I wanted to learn. So there's loads of opportunity, and I just really wanted to learn. I know I'm getting out of my comfort zone, but still, I think, as I told you, when you go into the business, you have to see the pros and cons. Yeah, pros and
Yeah,
cons of
yeah.
the
In
business.
everything, actually, in everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I prayed, I looked for the sign, and I prayed to lead me. And I know God has led me to this. And I'm really thankful that I ventured into the online business.
Yeah, yeah. That is really nice to know. And you mentioned a while ago that you have another kind of traditional business, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that is really important because, like nowadays, the cost of living is very high, even here in Denmark.
Mm-hmm.
So the more source of income you have, the better.
Yeah.
One is not enough, right? One income will not cover everything.
Yeah.
Another one extra, then yeah, you can live a life as a little light, but then two extra income, three extra income, that will be um, more
And
good to you, right?
not because only fun got it. It's not only for me and Harry. You get me. We have our family, so I love my
Yeah,
family. So I want to share it with them, and even not only with my husband. If given as one is that if I will be successful, I want to help as well a friend. You get me. So
yeah,
this is
yeah.
we have to doing this business. It's not really specifically for me and Harry. No. So that's the reason
Mm,
why we're doing this, because we also want to give an idea, an insight for other people, because
yeah, that's
we are
right.
all the same. We are all the same. You get me? The struggle that we have are the same. Maybe we have all our different whys. We have our own different struggles, but what I know is that we all do is this for our loved ones. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I have the same reason why I start my own online business, right? But Lisa, you mentioned a while ago that um, traditional business you have some experience, right?
Yes.
But not on the online. So have you encountered some obstacles or something like that in doing this online business?
Yeah. Actually, to be honest, when I first entered this, I have to ask myself. Can I do this? Because I'm not an introvert. I'm an introvert person, right? Is it introvert?
Mm.
Introvert
Yeah,
person.
it's
Introvert
yung
person.
mahiyain.
Yes, mahiyain. I'm like that. So I said, but um, to be honest, when I entered this, the personal growth that I have,
Mm.
I could not really, I could never imagine that I can do it. And then sometimes the time, the time sometimes after working long days, I said I feel tired. But the one good thing with this is that because this is an online, you can do it on your free time. And then you can do maybe today 2 hours, tomorrow 4 hours. It depends upon you. And because it's an online, you can go back to that.
Mm.
So from this point, the obstacle that I have mentioned is now all gone. You get me? Because I think it's always, you get me, sometimes you're skeptical sometimes as well because you don't think that this will work. But I just really focus on what is my dreams, what is my, because we can learn. They said as long as they said you're coachable, whatever obstacle is there, you can do it. You
Yeah.
just really need to believe in yourself. So
Yeah.
that obstacle that I have that before, now you are just on the side. So I said, I am just focusing on what is my dream, what is my end goal.
Yeah, that is what we always said. When you have a strong why,
Mm-hmm.
the how will be very easy, right? You
Yes.
will not give up, and you will find the motivation to do it, because we know what we are doing, and we know the potential of this business, right?
Yes, that's true.
We have
And
seen a lot.
we
Mhm.
have, you're not alone. I thought I will be alone, but no, we're not. I met you, right? We have loads of accountability partner, and we have another
Yeah,
group of accountability partner, right? So it's just really more the sharing of all the struggles. It lets you mobilize that you're not alone. You're not alone
yeah,
in this
yeah.
journey, because we are all together with this, and that's one
Mm.
thing. And for yourself that sometimes I feel down, I will just tell you and you lift me. So there's something. So you know that you will never, we have our journey in this business, as we go, if everybody is listening to us, our journey will be different for others. There are
Yeah,
some
that's
journeys
right.
that are
Yeah.
quick, there are some journey that are slow, but it is always into us of how we will, if as long as they said, as long as um, we will not give up. I think there was a clip, that we have the business convention, right? It was really good. And you know what they said,
Mhm.
that it stuck to me, is that we got this. Only you have to believe in yourself. And I do believe in myself. Sometimes I don't really, that's the honest. I don't believe in myself, but it's the people around me who says that Lisa, you got this. We know
Yeah,
you.
and I'm one of them, right?
Because even before at the back, I said, oh no, we are starting again. But once I start talking, that's it.
Mhm.
That stopped me. But yeah,
That
so
yeah, that is the beauty of working online. You will meet a lot of people, right? We met a lot of people, and we become friends. Like you and me, we never know, or we don't know each other before, but then we became accountability partner. Now we became best of friends, right?
yeah,
Whenever I'm down,
yeah,
I call you and I cry, and
yeah.
the same with you. You don't cry, but I do.
Now,
Well, I did, and
no,
it's really a good feeling that that you are building your dream, but you will
yes,
never feel alone, because there are a lot of people in our community that are willing to help us, as long as we keep on moving, right?
yes, yes. That
Yeah.
one is keep on moving.
So, yeah. So, do you have any last message to our followers, or your followers, or maybe for those who are going to watch the replay?
Yeah. So yes, what I could say is that maybe we are just on our the same shoes, right? We have, as I
Mm.
mentioned earlier, we have our own struggles. And I know you are looking for a side hustle, maybe online or traditional, but why not try to have a look inside our
Yeah.
business and then
Mm.
you decide. I know as well that you can be skeptical, and I was skeptical before, but I have done my due diligence. That's why I'm here, because we are a legit business owner.
Legitimate, yeah.
We pay our due taxes. It's just really more of just having um, the leap of faith to take action,
Yeah.
because what they said is that you will be successful outside your comfort zone. So this is only what I could say, because I will just give my example for myself. I'm not
Mm.
like this. I am not the person that will be talking in front. You get me?
Mm.
But because of my big desire for change, not only for me, as I told you before, not only for me, for my family, and I want to share this as well. I said, you guess me, not only for the financial freedom, but I said because the potential of this business is really great. We have seen it. 1,000 of people have changed. Their life has changed. Their life
Yeah.
has changed because of the business. Only what you need to do is to have a look, because we have the free webinar first. So what they can do if they're really interested to know more is to either register to you, Fatima, or to me. So register their name and email address. And then after that one, they will have the link for the free webinar. They have to
Yeah.
watch and decide if they decide that this is for them, then they go for the next step. If not, at least they have seen. At least they
Yeah.
will say, oh, son, I have missed, because we don't want you to say, I hope I have started this sooner. Because for me as
Mm.
well, you know what, sometimes I said that there are some in our community who has retired at the age of 26. How I wish I
Yeah.
was like that. But that time, we don't know it yet, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I also have the same feeling that I wish that I have known this business before,
Yeah,
because so we could start earlier,
yeah,
and we learn more as a, yeah. And I have the same message that I know and believe that there are a lot of people who are struggling and want to look for an additional income, and uh, maybe some of them don't know where to start. So we are here to share this online business opportunity, and just be curious, curious to know about it. And the thing is, you don't lose anything because of the free webinar, right? Just
mhm,
register your name and email address and watch the webinar. I always said that the webinar is like a trailer from the movie. Before
mhm,
you watch the movie, you have to watch the trailer of the movie. Then
mhm,
if you realize that, okay, this trailer of this movie is really good, then you go on to the next step, right?
mhm.
But how can you know if the movie is good if you don't watch the trailer, right?
True.
So watching trailer, you have nothing to lose.
Yes.
So right, so just be curious and have that courage to try and just to see, right? And the good thing is, if they register on my page, so I will be their mentor, and if they register on your page, you will be the mentor, then you will guide them along the way, right? And we
Yes.
will guide them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So so that's it. Do you want to add some more? Anything more?
No, no, I think no, Fatima. What I could say is that already is that curiosity is good, because you
Mm?
have a look. So yeah, so I think what I could say is that, yeah, just have a look. There's no harm. There's no harm of really looking what we are doing. And then, but because at least I said, oh, I should have tried it before. Because
Yeah.
we don't force any people, because at the end of the day, this will be their own business. The success of the business will depend on you. So
Yeah. That's right.
we are just giving you an inspiration. We're just giving you an insight of what maybe you will be missing. So,
Yeah.
and
That's
then,
right.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's on my part now, Fatima. And really thank
Okay.
you
So
very much.
yeah, so thank you, Lisa, for being with me this afternoon. And there you go, guys. I hope, we hope that we have inspired you. And as a matter of fact, or I think I should say that for those who are following my page or maybe Lisa's page, we will be more often live now. This is the start, right? So tomorrow I have another go live with a business owner from the Philippines.
Mm.
And then Monday, I think Monday is nothing. And then Tuesday,
Yeah,
because I
same
put,
with me. Same with
yeah,
tomorrow I have
yeah.
as I think this is one good thing I said before. This is one good thing with our community. Even if we are not financially connected, we do really
Mhm.
help because I think see this is really more of getting your confidence. So tomorrow I will have one and then
Mhm.
I'm also off on the Monday because I'm working Monday. I have on a Tuesday. And yeah, so yes,
So
it's
we just
exciting.
only want to share that we will be
Yeah.
very present or always go live
Give
live.
us a hi.
So
Give us a hi in our page.
yeah. So there you go. So I hope to see you all again tomorrow. Tomorrow same time, I guess. And then yeah. So if you have any question, then please don't hesitate to put it on the comment, and I will get back to you. So thank you, Lisa, for being
Thank
with me.
you.
And bye, everyone. Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.